So here I have my basic sleeve. Okay, so I'm going to be altering this basic sleeve to get my two-piece sleeve. Okay, so watch carefully, please. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. Okay, so you can see at the center of my sleeve here I have a line. Okay, I have a line at the center of my sleeve. Okay, then I also have my elbow line here. That is my wrist to elbow line. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to indicate the back and front of this sleeve. Okay, so that it will be easy for us to tell. So I'm going to call this front, front, back, back. Okay, so now I'm going to fold this sleeve again. So I'll flip it to this side and then I'll fold it towards the center line. Okay, you can see that center fold here. You can see here. So I'm going to be folding the sleeve towards this center line. Can you see? So now I'm going to flip it to the other side, and using my tracing wheel I'm going to trace this elbow line, okay, so that it will appear on the other side of the sleeve. This is what I mean. Okay, so now I'm going to mark this elbow line, redraw the elbow line on this side, on this other side of the sleeve. Okay, so this is my elbow line on this side of the sleeve. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tape this sleeve. You know it has an opening here, so I'm going to tape it in such a way that it will now be together. Okay, okay, now so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead to create our inner sleeve. Okay, the inner part of our sleeve. So you know when you're making your two-piece sleeve, you have the inner and the outer sleeve, right? So we're going to go ahead now to create our inner sleeve. So to do that, what we're going to do is you're going to come in on this side by 1/2 inch, come in on this side by 1/2 inch here and here. Okay, so now use a ruler to connect those points. And I'll also do same here. I'll mark 1/2 inch here. Okay, so now I have my inner sleeve here and I'm going to be cutting it out. But before I cut it out, I'll just label it so I know where is the back and front when I'm done cutting. Okay, so now we have our sleeve in 2 pieces. Okay, so you will notice that there's a space underneath here, so I'm just going to fill it up. Okay, you also notice that this place is uneven. So I'm going to put a piece of paper underneath that part as well. And I'll tape it down. So now I'm going to straighten the line by blending this part up. Okay, then I'll cut it. Okay, so this is the smaller side of our sleeve, which is the inner sleeve, and this is the larger side, which is the outer sleeve. So now we'll go ahead to continue working on our sleeve. So we'll work on the outer sleeve first. So on the outer sleeve, on the part which is the back, so I'm just going to label the sides B and B for the back. So on the back part, we're going to be slashing this elbow line. Okay, so from the back we'll slash this elbow. So I'll just slash it almost to the end. Okay, and I'll just stop there. So I'll get a piece of paper, and just put it underneath here. Okay, so I'll tape one side down. So I've taped one side down, so I'm going to be measuring that 1 inch here. Measure 1 inch, and I'll bring this part to the 1 inch mark. Okay, so I'll tape it down too. So next thing I'll do is I'll blend this open part up using one of my curves. So now I'll go ahead and cut off the excess paper. Okay, so this is my outer sleeve. So I'll set this aside, and now I'm going to be working on my inner sleeve. Okay, so for the inner sleeve, I'm also going to be slashing it on the back side of it. Okay, this part marked B. I'm going to be slashing that part. So I'm also going to slash it almost to the end. Okay, so I'll put a piece of paper underneath as well. I'll tape one side down. Now for this other side, I'll be opening it up by 1 inch as well. So I'll measure 1 inch. And I'll tape the other side down on that 1 inch mark. Okay, so I'll blend up this open part with one of my curves. So now I'm going to cut off the excess paper. So that's it for my inner sleeve. Okay, so I have my inner sleeve here and my outer sleeve. Okay, this is a very easy tutorial to do. So all you need to do is watch the video. This should take you about 10 to 15 minutes to make this two-piece sleeve. Please try it and tell me in the comment section whether you tried it and how easy it was. Thank you guys for watching.